Okay, so yesterday we have discussed just introduction about this JavaScript. So what are the variables, how to declare a variables in JavaScript. So then data types, then again operators. So operators we have just discussed basic, like almost similar to uh, so whatever the language you are going to learn, operators are almost similar. Data types also similar. But when coming to the strings in JavaScript, plays crucial role here. Okay, so that is the reason we are going to discuss strings along with its methods. Okay, so here, so how to create a string? So in JavaScript, so string. So what is string? String is a collection of characters or else group of characters wrapped within single quote or double quotes. Okay, so it is a collection of characters and wrap wraps between single or double quote. Okay, so single or double quotes. Okay, so that characters is nothing but all alphabets, numerics, okay, numbers, or else any special type of characters. Okay, so here let I am going to declare a variable. For that variable I am assigning string data type value. I'll let course is equal to UI development. Okay. So course is equal to UI development. So here this is the string. So how to check data type of that variable? Yesterday we have seen how to check the data type of that variable. Type of method. Type of method is going to return which type of data it is. String. Okay, so whatever you have created the string is string literal way. Yes, string literal way. There will be a two ways to create string. One is string literal way. Directly you can assign like this. Then again string constructor way. So it is let you will just pass name is equal to or else person is equal to new keyword string method you are going to use. Okay, so here you are going to pass the string. Okay, directly you can pass Peter. Okay, you need to pass inside the single or double quote. So console.log person. Just try to go and check. See, it is also string, but it will be wrapped inside a string object. String object. So try to print course. It is also string. It is also string. Both are strings. Okay. But whenever, sorry. So, but whenever you have created using string constructor way, this is string constructor way, using new keyword, you are going to create a new string. Okay. So the characters you are merging here, Peter. Okay. So the characters, these are the characters you are merging or else wrapping inside the single quote or double quote. It is going to create a new string inside an object. It is string constructor way. This is string literal way to create a string. Okay, both are is going to return string, but when you are trying to check the type of this particular person is object. Type of actually it is string, but it is going to display object. Why? Because we have created using constructor way. Okay, same way we are going to create array also. We are going to see these things. Okay, there will be two ways to create strings. One is string constructor way. Another one is literal way. Okay, string literal way. Okay, clear. So now console.log. If I need to check a length of the string, how many characters available inside this string? Okay, for that there will be a methods. We are going to discuss methods available in string. Methods available in string. Okay, course dot length is going to return how many characters available in our string. One, two, three. Empty space is also a character, one character. Empty space is also one character. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, so here empty string is not valid. So just give me a second. So this is empty string. Empty string. There will be no character inside the double quotes or single quotes. If we are mentioning at least one space between that single quote or double quote, it is not an empty string. Length. Check. It is an string length. One character will be there. Okay. So like this empty string is not a. So empty string. So if we are mentioning space between this quotes, it is not an empty string. So if there is nothing inside that particular double quotes, okay, then it will be considered as empty string. So to check the length of the string, you are going to use dot length, string name dot length. Okay, it is going to return the total length of the string. Then again, if I need to access, if I need to access part of an string u, I need to access only access, I need to access u on the time course of 0, course of 0, then only I'm able to access u. Then again course of 3, I'm able to access only D. So what is this 0, 3, 4, these numbers? So these are nothing but index values for this string. Index values. So string values, sorry, strings characters positions will be based on its index value. So index value for the string will starts from 0. U value is U index position is 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, like this and so on. Okay. So based on its index value, we are going to call that respective character. 1 is going to get it I like this. Clear? Any doubts? So these are the index value positions. Strings will be located on index value positions. So it index value starts from 0, last index value. So what is the last index value? Length minus 1. Course dot length minus 1 is going to get 13. See here, 13 it is going to get. So try to mention course dot length minus 1. See, it is going to get course dot length. Okay, T, last character. Okay, so just remember the formula. Course dot length minus 1 is the last index value for the string. Okay, I hope you are clear. To access any elements or else characters from the string, you need to use its index values, its index positions. Okay, you need to use index positions of that string. Okay, clear. So then again, a length is done, right? So we have discussed length. Okay, so then again index values. What are the index values? So the position of that particular characters is nothing but its index value starting from 0. Okay, so now console.log, console.log. So we are going to pass it here. Course dot scores. Every time I'm passing here course, right, is nothing but string name, string variable name, or else string name. String name is course. String name dot character at. Okay, character at. So here I am passing character at 0. So just I know index value 0. So what is the character at the starting position? U. Okay, so character at I don't know what is this? What is the character located in sixth position? So it is located E. Okay, so like this. So character at index value you need to pass. Character at is the method. It is going to return which character has been located in this specific position. Okay, so like this you are going to get character at. Console.log course dot character code at. Okay, character coded. Same six you will pass. So what is the difference between character coded and character at? So character at index value 6, it is going to return whenever you are using caret. If you are using character coded, okay, char coded, it is going to return the ASCII value of that specific character. The ASCII value of that specific character. Okay, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the character. So what is the ASCII value for E? 101. Okay. Just go to the ASCII table. So in programming language, ASCII table. So for every character, there will be a specific ASCII value or ASCII code. Okay. So here small e is nothing but 101. Okay. So it is going to resolve. So same we are getting. If we are passing 3. Okay, not here. Was it's passing 3. Okay, so try to pass here 3. So just go and check what is the ASCII value for you. 68. Just look for 68 here. Did you write? D, sorry. D, not you. D, 68. Okay, so it is going to return character coded is going to return the ASCII value of that specific character which has been located in that respective index position. I hope you are clear. Character and character coded. Character. Okay, character coded. These are the two things. Okay, so then again console.log. So we will just use slice. Course dot slice. What is slice? So slice. In general, slice is nothing but we are going to cut out into slices, slides, pieces. Okay, similarly, whenever you need to extract a piece of the string, okay, substring, if you need to extract, you can just pass here starting index value from 3 or 3 to I need to access till L. Okay, so 3 is starting point, 6, 7. I need to pass if I need to access till L. I need to pass here 8. Okay, ending position plus 1 we need to pass if you need to access. See, if you need to access till this P point, P, okay, you need to pass 8, right? 8, 10. You need to pass 10. Then till P you are going to get it. Okay, so what is this slice? Slice method is used to separate or else to get a specific part of the string. Okay, you're going to slice it out using their index values. So first value is starting position, second value is ending plus 1. If you need to end here, you need to pass plus 1 index value. Okay, so like this you need to work on slices. So similarly, substring almost similar. Substring also. Okay, substring also almost similar. Okay, but here it will not accept negative values. That's it. Okay. So then again, I'm going to take one more string. Let name or else person is equal to. So I'm passing here Peter. Peter. Okay. So we'll just pass all capital letters. Peter. So now if I need to convert this respective characters into lowercase. So on that time, person dot. So just give me a second. Sorry. Person dot to lowercase. To lowercase. It is going to change that particular uppercase characters into lowercase. What happened? Person dot lowercase. But that it is. It will be converted into lowercase. If it is already in uppercase, just to pass here, TE. Okay, TE is in lowercase. All things will be converted into lowercase. If you are using uppercase, just pass here uppercase. Uppercase. It will be converted into uppercase. All string will be converted. Okay, so like this, you are going to use a lowercase and uppercase. Okay, so I have just taken new string. So that is the reason I am passing a second string name. So the thing is string name dot methods you need to use. The syntax is string name dot methods. You need to pass like this. Okay, so it's the syntax actually. So then again lowercase is done. Includes. So console.log person dot includes. So this is the method. Whether this character is available or not, it is going to check index or includes. So it is this particular character is available in our string or not. It is going to check. So I'm going to pass a, not a, e. E is available inside this Peter string. Yes, it is available. It is going to return true. It is going to return true. So yes, again R. R is available. Yes, it is available. It is going to return true. Small r is not available. It's going to return false. It's going to return false. If the character is not available, it is going to return false. If the character is available, it is going to return true. Includes method is going to check for this specific character whether it is existing in our string or not. If it is existing, it is going to return true. If it is not, it is going to return false. So similarly, almost similar for this includes, there will be one more course I'm going to take this time. Course dot index of same almost similar to includes, but here includes is returning boolean value as a result. Index of is going to return its index value. It is going to return its index value. Just give me a second. Okay, sorry. Course, right? We have taken here course. We need to pass here u. Okay, it is going to return index value 0 t or else d. It is going to return it index value. If this particular character is not available, so develop. Okay, develop. It is going to return the first occurrence only. Just a second. So it is going to return that first occurrence or first character occurrence. It is going to return index of. Okay, if it is not available, Peter is not available. If that characters are not available in the string, it is going to return negative value, which is -1. Okay, same similar to includes, but includes is going to return Boolean value. Index of is going to return the index value of that character if it is available. If it is not available, it is going to return the negative value. I hope you are clear. D. D is available or else E is available. First occurrence. first occurrence. So here it is the first occurrence. 3, 4 is the first occurrence. It is going to return at 4. Then it is not going to look forward. Okay. So if we are using last index of, it is going to find last occurrence of that particular E. So where that last occurrence. See how it is working is first occurrence. So it is going to look for index of. If you are using index of, it is going to look for E. If it finds, it is going to return this E index value, then it is going to stop searching. Okay. Last index of is going to look for this E. Okay, it is found. Then again, is there any string continuing? Is there any string continuing? Yes. It is going to look for E. Yes, again found. This is the current position of that index value E. Okay, so then again it is going to look for E. Yes, again it founds. Then again that value will be updated. This is the last occurrence of E. Then it is going to stop searching. So till this strings end, till that string ends, it is going to look for that E. If it founds, it is going to update that particular index value again and again. At last, it is going to return last index of that particular E occurred position. Clear? There is the difference between index of and the last index of. So then again, console.log. So course dot replace. So what is the element you need to replace? I need to replace UI or else U, whatever it might be. You can just take anything. UI. So what is what with which what you need to replace? Which what string you need to replace this UI? I need UI replace with Python. Python. So then this UI will be replaced with Python. It is going to return like this. Okay. Then original string will not going to affect. Original will stays as it is. See, course will stays as it is. It is not going to affect. Just it is going to take a copy of it. Then it is going to apply these changes. Okay. Just remember primitive data types is immutable. Okay. Primitive data types are immutable. Will never ever updatable. Okay, immutable in the sense we are not able to update that particular string further. Okay, but mutable, non-primitive data types. Okay, non-primitive data types are mutable. Arrays, objects, we are able to modify its original value. But primitive data types, strings, numbers, a boolean. Okay, we are not able to update these particular things. Okay, but we are able to update these things to convert into array, then we are able to do these things. Okay, so original will stays as it is. It is going to just take a copy of it. So replace is going to replace this UI. If we have two UIs, if we have two UIs, then what it is going to do? Only first occurrence it is going to modify. Second occurrence will not going to do. Okay, so on that time, what you need to use? You need to take replace all. Replace all. Then it is going to replace. It is going to look for all UIs. Then it is going to update with Python. All UIs will be updated with Python. See, like this. Clear? Okay, replace and replace all. So done almost. So then replace whatever left console.log course dot concat. So whenever you need to do concatenation, you are going to use this. We will just pass split. So what is the split is going to do? So split is going to convert your string into array. String into array. So if we are passing anything inside this parenthesis like empty quotes, if you're passing empty quotes, then it will be separated. This particular string will be segregated with each character. Each character is one element inside an array. Okay, if we are passing empty strings, if we are passing empty one space, so what it is going to look for? So it is going to look for inside this string, it is going to look for that space. Till that space, it will be treated as one element. Then after this space, second element. If you have one more space, then again, just give me a second. If you have one more space, UI development course, you have one more space on the time. So till here it is a one element, then again space, it is going to separate. Then again till here, one more element, then again space is found, it is going to divide, then again one more element, like this. So wherever it finds a space, it will be treated as one element. Then it is going to group it out and it is going to arrange all these things in one array. Okay, so like this, it is going to do these things. Okay, done. Then again split. Okay, if we have here dollar, we have dollar. So now this time, wherever you have dollars, you need to separate it as one element. On that time, just pass here dollar. That's it. If it finds dollar, it will be divided into parts. If in between development, if you have one more dollar, it will be separated like this. See, I hope you are clear. Okay, so like this, you are going to work on split. Split is the method which is going to convert the string into array. If you need to convert this string, what it is? If you need to convert this array into string again, you need to use join. Join. So same for join also you need to pass parenthesis. Then it will be converted into string. See, each element will be separated with comma. No, if you need to just add, just pass empty parenthesis. It will be added. If you need to maintain space between each element, just pass space. It is going to like this. Okay, if you pass here dollar space like this, just it is going to do like this. Same things. So split is going to convert string into array. Join is going to convert array into string. These are the two methods. Just remember, very important. Okay. I hope clear. Console.log course dot trim. So what is this trim is going to do? So if you have spaces at the starting and ending, white spaces, it is going to remove that spaces. That's it. That's it. It is going to remove that spaces. If we are not using this trim, just try to select it. Just try to select it. So it is going to select here spaces. Okay. But if you are using dot trim, it is going to remove that spaces. Just try to reload. See, there is no space. I hope you are clear. Okay, trim is going to remove a starting and ending white spaces. Okay, then again start trim, end trim. Okay, these things are starting. They are going to remove that white spaces like this. Okay, they are going to do this stuff. Okay, then clear till here. Console.log console.log course dot starts with UI. Then this will return true. Uh, our string starts with UI, right? Okay, space. I will remove space. Eliminate the space. See, true. Okay. So if we are passing just space, also it is raising error. So that is the reason we are getting false. Okay. So starts with exact. Why? Because special like space also one special character. That is the reason it is treating it as string. Okay, exactly equal matches. Starts with UI. Then only it is going to return true. Otherwise, if we are passing AI, it's going to return false. Okay. So like this starts with. Similarly ends with. So our ends with. So if I pass A, it will return false. If I pass meant development, right? Okay, course. Sorry. You need to mention here. Course with course. It's going to return true. Okay, you can just pass course also. Course. It will return true. Same. Okay. So like this, these are the methods available in string. This is fine. Okay. Or else if you need, just try to explore. Just try to explore here string methods in JS MDM. So here there will be a lot of methods. If you need, just try to explore. Okay, maximum time we are not going to use all these methods. No one is going to remember all these things. Okay, memorize all these things. Just whenever that use case comes, we are going to use that particular methods. That's it. See, trim start, trim end. So string constructor way they have used here to create string like this. Any doubt till this point? Any doubts till this point?
No.
Yeah. So we'll start with arrays. So what is an array? So here script just start with array. So let a okay countries is equal to so array syntax. So just you need to take one variable name, keyword, variable name, assignment operator, square brackets. You are going to represent array with square brackets. Okay, so here inside the square bracket, each element will be separated with comma, separated by comma. Okay, so here I'm just taking strings. Okay, India. So India and different data types, no issue. Okay, no issue. It will accept. True. Okay, so array is nothing but array is a collection of same data type or different data types wrapped within the square brackets. Okay, array is used to store multiple values in one variable. In single variable, if you need to store multiple values, array will be used to pull the each value will be separated by comma. Each item will be separated by comma. So console.log countries. Done. Uh, here reload. So okay, this is another document, right? So inspect. See, array will be displayed. So first index value 0, India. Second index value 10. So if you need to access individual, just to pass index value 3. So what is index value 3? True. Okay. So like this, you are going to use index values again to access items individually. So index value is nothing but the array positions. The array will be stored based on its index values. Okay. So first index value starts from 0. From the 0, it is going to arrange the elements continuously, sequentially. Okay. So same index values you are going to use to access elements from the array. Okay. So array is used to store the collects to store the group of or multiple values in single variable. So that values will be same data type or different data type. Okay, so it will all accept. But in other languages, so array is going to use to store only same data type. Okay, but here in JavaScript, we can just store different data types of values. So we can just pass USA. So then again, France, Russia. So then again, Japan. Okay, so these are the values we have just loaded inside our array. Done. Okay, so now what the first method? So array methods in array. Okay, so here console.log or else directly we can just so see just remember arrays are mutable. Okay, we are able to update the original array. Okay, in some methods, in some cases, some a few methods is going to take a copy of an original array, then they are going to do this particular things. But a few methods is going to change the original array as okay, original array as well. Okay, countries dot push. Okay, push. I am going to pass here. So what is that? Italy. Okay, so Italy. I am passing Italy. So just see. Try to print countries. Console.log countries. Actually, the original countries list is here. Okay, but I am going to push Italy. So what is this push method is going to do? So push method is going to add this particular element or item at last of this particular array. At last of this particular array. See, then just remember the original positions of an items which are already available inside this array. They are not going to disturb. So India index value is 0 in this original array. Then again here also index value of India is 0. The original position of array items will stays as it is if we are using push and also pop. If we are using pop countries dot pop. If we are using pop, so it is not going. So what is push and pop? What is pop? Pop is going to remove or else eliminate the last element of the array. See, last element of the array. Japan is the last element. It has been eliminated, removed from the array. See, the India, USA, France, Russia, same index values. So here 0, 1, 2, 3. Here also 0, 1, 2, 3. So whenever you're using push and pop methods, it is not going to disturb its original index positions. Okay, it is not going to disturb its original index position, but it is going to affect original array. Original array is affecting here, but index values are not affecting. Existing index values are not affecting. It is not disturbing its index values. Only it is adding new element at the last position, which is not going to disturb. Okay, so whenever, so just small example here, whenever you are entering into theaters. Okay, so already there will be a few peoples in a queue line. They're waiting for ticket, movie ticket. So if you are going to enter in between of those people, definitely they are going to get angry. Why? Because their position will be changed. Okay. So if you are going to enter at last of that particular queue line, no one is going to what it is. No one is going to fight with or else they are not going to argue with us. Why? Because their position will stay as it is. We are the new persons adding at last. There is no issue with us to them. Okay. Similarly, here, if we are using push and pop, it is not going to affect the index positions of that particular array elements, but original array will stays. Original array will modifies. Okay. I hope you are clear. Then again, push is going to add the element at the end of that particular array. Pop is going to remove the element from the last of that particular array. Sorry. So then again, push pop. So countries dot shift. So what is the shift is going to do? So what is the before shift? Okay, shift. So shift is going to remove the element from the first position. From the first position of an array, it is going to remove the element. Then that original array will changes along with that original index values also changes. So here the index value of India is 0. Here when coming to the next, if I use the shift method, then that India has been removed from the array, then USA index value becomes 0. Earlierly, it has been 1. Now it becomes 0. That original index position has been changed. If you are using shift, it is going to remove first element of an array. Similarly, unshift. What is this unshift? So unshift is used to add any country at first position. Obviously, the index values will be disturbed. So we will pass here. What is the country? So we will just pass Canada. See, it is going to add this element in the first position. Actually, the original index value of India is 0. Now it will becomes 1. Okay, so pop is not going to disturb index values, but shift and unshift is going to disturb because it is going to add these elements in the first position. So this is the reason. Clear? Any notes? Again, console.log countries dot find. This find we have not discussed it. Okay, so find we will just discuss, so which is easy. Okay, we have not discussed functions, right? Okay, no issue. Fine, we'll discuss it later. So it will accept callback function as an argument. That is the reason I'm not discussing here. Okay, so same includes is available. Includes, however, we have seen in strings, includes is available here. Just pass USA is available or not. Just check. Yes, USA is available. It is going to return true. If you pass UK, UK. Okay, if it is not available, it is going to return false. Okay, similarly includes. So same includes is available, index of also available. What is this index of is going to return? If I am checking for UK, it is going to return -1. It is not available. If it is available, it is going to return that index value of that respective element. Similarly, last index. It is going to return index of is going to return first occurrence. If you need to get the last occurrence, just pass last index of. Okay, clear. Then again slice. So what is this slice? Slice, if you need to extract a specific part of an array, just pass starting point, ending +1. If you need to get till ending point, you need to pass ending +1. Just pass 6 till fifth position, it is going to access. So 0, sorry, what we have passed 2, right? 0, 1, 2. This is the 2. 2, 3, 4, 5. If I pass 6, I'm going to get till here 5. Okay. So like this, you need to pass. If you have passed 5 till 4 only, it is going to get. Okay, slice. If you need to extract a specific part of an array, piece of an array. So then again, slice is there, which is very, very important. So console.log. So countries dot splice. So splice, you can just remove the elements. You can just remove the elements using splice method. You can just add the elements, or else you can just replace the elements. All these things will be handled by this splice method. The syntax is start position, whatever the count of the elements you need to delete. Delete elements, or delete count. Okay, how many elements you need to delete. Then again ending position. Sorry, not ending position. Items you need to new elements, new items. New items you need to pass. This is the syntax. Just remember this thing. Okay, I will pass string name. String. Okay, string dot splice. So this is the syntax. Okay, so string dot splice, string name dot splice. Starting position you need to pass. So from the starting position, how many elements if you need to delete? Okay, just pass that count. If you need to add new elements, pass this new elements. Okay, so just give me a second. Countries dot splice. So just try to add new elements. That's it. Try to add new elements. So where I need to add? At position number 1, I need to add position number 1, comma. So how many elements I need to delete? No, I am not going to delete any element. 0 I am going to pass. Sorry. 0 I am going to pass. Nothing I am going to delete. New items I need to add. I am going to add new items here. UK. So then again, what are left? It can be the same. Okay, I will just try with UK. Okay, we need to console it, right? Console.log countries. See, it is going to add it that UK at first position. We have had Canada, we have added. That is the reason we're getting. Just remove this. See, UK will be added at first position. If you are going to delete any elements, it is going to delete that count of deletes elements. If you are passing a 2, from the first position, it is going to remove two elements. It is going to add UK in that two position or two elements place. So two elements, USA, France has been removed from the one. So 0, 1. From this one, UK. They are been deleted, then UK will be added. If you are passing here deleted count, if you are not passing anything 0, it is not going to delete anything. It is just adding new element at the position number 1. Okay. So if you need to replace, just you can just replace also. You're using delete. Okay, like this, you can just do multiple things. Just try from your end. Splice is also done. So next, so it is last. So reverse. Countries dot reverse. It is going to reverse the array. Okay, last index value will comes to the first. First index value comes to the last. It is going to changes the original array. Okay, it is going to changes the original array. So almost done. Again, sort is there. Sort is there. So sort. It is going to sort out based on the alphabets. Okay, then again sort will never ever works in all situations. Okay, so it will be just give me a second. Console.log 1 comma 5 comma 2 comma 9 0. Okay, in this, okay, sorry, array pass. So in this scenario, if you are passing, try to make it sort. So just till here. We're trying to sort out this array, it will be sorted. Okay, it will be sorted. It is going to sort out in ascending order. Okay, so no, if we have values, just give me a second. If we have values 50, comma 35, comma 41, 40, so then again 78, 91. Just try to sort out. It is sort of, hey, no, it should not happen. Just give me a second. Okay, we will sort out with negative values. We'll try to pass. Whether it is sorting. Actually, what is the lowest value? So what is the lowest value? We'll try to see. So see, now it has been not sorted. Okay, so now it has been, no need to worry about these negative values also. Just to mention positive values. See, now it has been not sorted. So why? Because it is just looking for first value, first digit of that particular number. Okay, so it is just one. It is going to arrange first, then again 3, 4, 4, 5. Like this, it is just arranging using ASCII values, ASCII code. Okay, for these numbers also there will be an ASCII value. Okay, based on it is just sorting out. It is not a complete sort. On the time there will be a callback function. So just you need to pass here callback function. Okay, if just to pass here a less than b, then return 1. Okay, else return -1. Okay, now this is the a is not defined now. A comma b. See, now it will be sort out. The thing is a greater than. Now it will be sort out. Perfectly it has been sorted out. So this is the function you need to pass for sort method as a callback function. Then only it is going to perform perfect sort out. Otherwise, it is not going to do a perfect sorting method. So it will be a sort out that entire array based on ASCII values, which will be not going to return exact result. Okay, whenever you are working on sort, just remember this is the function you need to pass. Okay, so then only it will works properly. Otherwise, it is not going to sort out. Hope clear, right? Any doubts till this point? So strings and arrays are done. Whatever left, self will open. So, so whatever left. uh, so here variables, data types, the console we are not using strings and arrays. We have completed till this point. So try to do whatever the tasks here you are going to get it. So just try to complete whatever the tasks you are getting. Okay. So if you are not getting after completing loops, we are going to discuss. Okay, operators. So just try to explore these operators, whatever you have learned in earlier languages like .NET, or else if you're coming from Java also, just whatever the operators you have seen, same operators. So the difference is this strictly equal to, okay, sorry, a strictly comparational operator. We have discussed this. So, okay, this is the difference. Otherwise, unary operator by bitwise operators, relational operators, assignment operator, all these things are same. So that is the reason we have not discussed in depth. Okay, just go through with this if you need. Okay, the theoretical, that's it. Arithmetic operations, all these things are very easy. Right? Just try to explore. If you are feeling any difficulties, just let me know. I will explain it. No issue. Okay. So just whatever the things you have learned in the previous language, same thing here. Okay. So even there is no syntactical issues also. Next tomorrow we will start with conditional and iterations. Okay. So then again we will start with from like, when we will start with some basic coding. Okay. Then again we will explore on objects, all these things. Clear. So I hope you will get that operators in .NET, right? So are you completed operators in .NET? Is there operators concept in .NET or not?
Yes,
Yeah, same